Yeah.
What would you like done with your hair today?
So I kind of want a silk press.
Okay. Do you want it like fully straight, or do you want like a little bit of curl?
A little bit of curl, I think. Maybe just on the ends, maybe.
Yeah.
Like a wave kind of.
Yeah, we can do it like curly, and
Okay.
I can separate, and then we'll loosen it up a lot more.
Okay.
But at least like tomorrow, when you wrap it at night,
Yeah.
it will be like it have like a lot of body and stuff to it.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have any other questions or concerns for me?
Whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant musta went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. She say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too Too many sticks. I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, must've went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for fraud. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know. Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, must've went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for fraud.
That's good? Yeah. So we go there if you want to. Switching if you want to. You want more of like a deeper band. I like that a lot. So your hair is still pretty healthy. I will say like it's probably time for like another trim. Okay. But like other than that, like your hair is pretty much in a good place. Just some of those that I think you should have called for. Did you say happiness?
Yeah, I think
just like a little bit more.
Okay.
Just so that your split ends don't keep like riding up. Because you're starting right up in the middle of like your hair shaft.
Yeah.
Like this is fine. But like it's starting to ride up to like about here.
Well, that's not good.
So I would say like just keep up with your trim.
Okay.
And then do you detangle your hair like wet?
Yes. So I do it with conditioner in it in the shower. And then after that, I don't detangle it.
But, okay, yeah. I would say that would be like the best choice. Because if you're ripping through what if you ever do, that could be causing breakage as well.
Okay.
Otherwise, like your hair is nice, soft, and full.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna show you the back. Remove all of my stuff. And then turn it around. And then this is what it looks like in the back. You can't see it like that much since it's curled.
Yeah.
But yeah, like the breakage is about like here.
Wait, so I need like 5?
No. I would say like just like do like a slow turn.
Yeah.
Like nothing that's like too crazy.
Okay.
Just like a little bit by bit. And I would do it like every like 12 weeks or so.
Oh, okay.
Just so that it keep running up, and then if you don't have like a hair mask in like routine, definitely get one.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, beautiful. Y'all ready?